Hi everyone, Rhonda here. Today I want to talk to you about how to give students extra time on a quiz. You may have a student who needs twice the normal time for quizzes to accommodate a disability, or perhaps you have a student who had a family emergency and couldn't take a quiz before the due date. In Canvas, it's fairly easy to make these accommodations. So I'm going to start by going to my quiz, and I'll go into the quiz itself, and my quiz is published. So over on the right I see moderate this quiz and speed grader. If your screen is smaller than mine, you may have to look down below the quiz to see those items. Now if I unpublish my quiz, you'll see that those items disappear. So you can only do this moderation once your quiz is published. So you may have to use your availability dates to keep the quiz hidden while you make these changes. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to click this link to moderate this quiz. And this page shows where all your students are on taking the quiz so far. So here I have Ferris Bueller, and Ferris Bueller had a family emergency and was unable to take the quiz before the due date, which was yesterday. So I can click this option to manually unlock the quiz for the next attempt. And then I just click Save. And now if I go over to Ferris Bueller, I'll log in here. I'm logged in as Ferris Bueller, and I was looking at the quiz before the instructor made the change, and the quiz was locked. So now I'm going to refresh the screen, and now you can see that Ferris can now take the quiz as needed. All right, let me go back to my teacher view. And I have another student, and this student was taking the test, and in the middle of the test they had a internet hiccup, or their computer crashed and they were not able to finish the test, so they asked for another attempt. So everyone already gets 2 attempts, but I'm going to give them one more attempt by just typing 1 here. And then I save, and now you see that this student now has 3 attempts on this test. And I have another student, and this student has a disability that allows them to have twice the normal time on a test. So I'm going to give this student 60 minutes to take the test instead of, this is extra time, so I'm going to give them an extra 30 minutes on their test. And so that's how you make accommodations for students. I hope this helps.